Hey there, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to ignore calls without blocking on your iPhone. Now, if you just wanted to ignore a call from a specific person or a group of different people or your entire iPhone contacts list, you can always choose to ignore them without going through the process of blocking them. I'll show you exactly how to do it. Your first option is to tap on the Settings app of your iPhone, scroll down, tap on Sounds and Haptics, and turn silent mode on. Now, you probably already have known about this, but essentially silent mode will just silence your entire iPhone so that no one will be able to ring to your phone or get text messages. It will all be silent. However, this does basically the axe approach instead of the scalpel approach. Maybe you just want to silence one contact. I'll show you two different ways to be able to do that. So let's turn silent mode off and instead tap the back arrow at the top left, scroll down, tap on focus, tap on plus at the top right, and then tap on custom at the top. I'm going to name this to silence Haley. Nope, I can't type here. Haley, my wife. So if I don't want to hear from Haley, I can tap on next here and tap customize focus. Now within here, this focus, I'm going to silence that one person. So tap on people at the top left. And on here, I'm going to choose silence notifications from, and let's get rid of these two people and tap add people. And on here, I'm just going to start typing in Haley and tap on Haley. Tap on the check mark at the top right, and now you can see it says silence notifications from Haley. And now I need to turn that focus mode on by taking my finger and swiping down from the top right, and tapping on the focus modes here, and tap on silence Haley. Essentially now whenever that focus mode is on, and if that one person calls you, it'll be silenced without actually blocking them. However, there's another option as well, because you might not want to have a random focus mode turned on all the time. You just want to permanently silence a contact and then choose at some point to unsilence them. There's a cool trick to be able to do that instead. So instead of that, let's hop out of here and take your finger and swipe down. And we're going to type in voice. And tap on voice memos at the top left. Now I'm going to use a recording that is a silent recording, and then we're going to assign it to that one contact. So I'm going to record this and not say anything while I'm recording. You can see I just did that. It only needs to be a couple seconds. Tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on rename under share. And rename this to silent. Now tap on the three dots at the top right. Tap on share at the top. Tap on view more at the bottom right. And then we're going to scroll down and tap on use as ringtone. After you've done that, you can see silent ringtone. However, this sets the silent ringtone for everybody. We want to switch this back to your default ringtone. In my case, they're just reflection. However, let's set Haley or whoever you want to silence to that ringtone. To do that, tap on the phone app. Navigate to their contact, either in the contacts list or favorites. Tap on the I next to their name. Tap on edit at the top right. Now just scroll down and under ringtone, tap on ringtone and set this to silent. You might also want to tap on haptics here and set this to none as well. Essentially, this means your phone won't ring, but it also won't vibrate. Now tap the back arrow and the check at the top right, and then the check again. And you're good to go. Just like that, that one person won't ever ring to your phone. You'll still see that you got a missed call from them. You'll see if they left a voicemail, but they won't ever ring to your iPhone. I hope this helps. If you enjoyed this video, check out the video over to my right. I think you'll really like that one as well. Thanks, guys.